The benefits of professional domestic cleaning services for every home. In our busy lives, keeping a home clean can be challenging. Discover how professional cleaning services can transform your home and your life. Time-saving convenience. Professional cleaners save you time, allowing you to focus on what matters most, whether it's spending time with family or enjoying a hobby. Expertise and experience. With years of experience and specialized tools, professional cleaners tackle tough jobs and ensure every corner of your home is spotless. Healthier home environment. A professional clean reduces allergens and germs, creating a healthier living space for you and your family. Customized cleaning plans. Tailor your cleaning plan to fit your home's unique needs, whether it's special requests or a flexible schedule. Consistent results. Regular professional cleaning ensures your home remains consistently clean, reducing the need for extensive cleanups. Access to professional-grade equipment and products. Professionals use top-notch equipment and eco-friendly products for a deeper clean and a safer environment. Increased home value and longevity. Regular cleaning helps maintain your home's value and prolongs the life of your carpets and furnishings. Reduced stress and more free time. Enjoy a clutter-free, serene home environment and more free time by leaving the cleaning to the professionals. Contact us to schedule your personalized cleaning plan and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. Contact us today to learn more.